Improving your posture doesn't have to take hours. Just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Here's a quick and effective routine to help you stand taller and feel better. 1. Wall angels. Stand with your back against a wall, heels about 6 inches away. Press your lower back, shoulders, and head against the wall. Raise your arms to form a W shape, then slowly slide them up to form a Y shape. Lower back to the W position. Repeat for 1 to 2 minutes. Focus. Opens up the chest and strengthens upper back muscles. 2. Cat-cow stretch. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale, arch your back, cow pose, lifting your head and tailbone. Exhale, round your spine, cat pose, tucking your chin and pelvis. Repeat for 1 to 2 minutes. Focus, improves spinal flexibility, and relieves tension. 3. Chest opener stretch. Stand tall and clasp your hands behind your back. Gently pull your shoulders back and lift your chest while looking upward. Hold for 30 seconds, then release. Repeat once more. Focus. Counteracts slouching and tight chest muscles. Plank with shoulder taps for 2 minutes. Get into a forearm plank position, keeping your body in a straight line. Tap your right shoulder with your left hand, then your left shoulder with your right hand. Alternate for 1 to 2 minutes while keeping your hips stable. This exercise strengthens your core and improves stability. Sit or stand with your spine straight. Gently tuck your chin toward your chest, as if making a double chin. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then release. Repeat for 1 minute. This exercise corrects forward head posture and strengthens neck muscles. Stand tall, then hinge at your hips to fold forward, letting your head and arms hang. Bend your knees slightly if needed. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes, breathing deeply. This helps release tension in the spine and hamstrings. Be consistent. Do this routine daily for best results. Set reminders. Use phone alerts to check your posture throughout the day. Ergonomics. Adjust your workspace to support good posture, like having your monitor at eye level and your feet flat on the floor. With just 10 minutes a day, you'll notice improved posture, reduced pain, and increased confidence.